Such a cozy room. The windows are illuminated by the evening. Ours is a very, very, very fine house with two cats in the yard. Life used to be so hard. Now everything is easy 'cause of you.
Saya terima nikahnya dengan mas kawin yang tersebut.